Now singing The Longest Time by Billy Joel for TC Brothers.
Goodbye to me tonight. There would still be music left to write. What else would I do? I'm so inspired by you. That hasn't happened for the longest time. Once I thought my innocence was gone. Now I know that happiness goes on. That's where you found me. For the longest time.